Here we will write a program to find smallest and largest element from a list where list elements are inputted by user. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write the program description. First we will define the empty list. Then we will accept the number of elements from the user. So n equal to int input enter number of elements. Then we will define one variable I, which is initialized with 0, and we will use while loop. So while I less than n, we will accept the element from the user. So e equal to int input enter element. Then we will insert this e into list using append function. So l dot append e, and we will increment the I. So I equal to I plus 1, and then we will print the smallest and largest element from the list. So print smallest element from list. Here we will use min function. So min l. Then we will use another print function to print largest element. Then we will save it. We will save it as find number.py, and we will execute it. It will ask to enter number of elements. I will give 5, and then I will enter the elements. Here it will print smallest element from list is 2 and largest element is 8.